Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to find cube root of 91125. So let's start with today's video solution. So it's end with 5. So we'll divide with 5. So 91125 divided by 5 is 18225. Again 18225 divided by 5 gives 3645. Now 3645 divided by 5 gives 729. Now it's not longer divisible by 5, but we know that 729 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that is 3 power 6. So prime factorization of 91125 is 5 power 3 times 3 power 6. Now we have to find cube root, so I am taking cube root on both sides. According to exponent rule, nth root a, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So this becomes cube root of 91125, 5 power 3 by 3 times 3 power 6 by 3. So it becomes 5 times 3 power 2, that is 5 times 9, and 5 times 9 is 45. So cube root of 91125 is 45. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.